Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to exactly create text to song exactly for free using ChatGPT and AI. So if you are new viewers, don't worry. If you watch full video, at first I'm going to ChatGPT. You know ChatGPT is a number one tools right now in the world. So here the type write a song about USA. Just enter. Then wait few seconds because this is the processing time. So I copy the first paragraph. Then I'm going to voicemode.net. It's has lots of options, text to song and text to speech. So today I'm going to teach you how to exactly text to song generate. Just now click here for create content. Just one click, then again click create a song with AI artist. Just again click here. Then I need to select a voice over example of this one, this one, this one. So I choose first on because this is a really good and I really like it. This one. Then next, now choose a voice of artist. So I choose first on. Now paste chat GPT created paragraph just here. This is a free. Here is a limitation here. Just drag and drop. Then I again enter button. Then create song. Just click for create song. Now I suggest you create a song each by each paragraph because it's a free tool, not allowed for full paragraph paste and create song. So no problem. I'm waiting for song. Oh, I cannot imagine. Now if you want to download only voice, just click here. So I need a music and voice. Just click number one, voice and music. Now click for download and song. I don't need video, only I need only audio. So you can see my audio are downloaded. Now I want to play, and then this is the song. In the land of kings where freedom is clean, there's a place where my tuna candles radiant from sea to shining sea. Wow! So if you are really interested and enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell for the next video. And if you want to more video about this type of AI animation, AI video, how to use a chat GPT, how to use a how to make a website using chat GPT, AI, etc., etc., please comment below. See you next video. Thank you.